Hello homesteaders and preppers. Today I'm excited to share with you a project I've been working on. A strawberry patch in a raised bed. I made a few raised beds using concrete interlocking panels that I created for my original garden. These concrete panels provide a sound foundation for the raised bed. They are sturdy, durable, and help contain the strawberry plants within the designated area. To prepare the bed, I started by covering the grass with cardboard. This acts as a natural weed barrier, preventing unwanted growth. Then I mixed in a combination of black earth, peat moss, and compost, creating a nutrient-rich environment for the strawberries to thrive in. Now let's talk about the stars of our show. These beautiful strawberry plants. I opted for mature plants to expedite the growing process. They're already established, which means they'll start producing fruit sooner. When planting strawberries, it's important to give them enough space to spread and grow. I'm placing them about a foot apart to leave ample room. Then I'm digging a hole to accommodate the roots. I gently place the plant in and cover it with soil. Now that our strawberry plants are snug in their new home, it's time to give them a good drink. Adequate watering is crucial for their establishment and growth. Be careful not to overwater, as strawberries prefer well-drained soil. To help them retain moisture and suppress weeds, I'm applying a layer of mulch around the strawberry plants. This will also protect the roots during extreme temperatures and promote healthy growth. Regular maintenance is key when it comes to strawberry plants. Remember to water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Keep an eye out for any weeds or competing plants that may pop up and remove them promptly. As the strawberry plants mature, they'll start sending out runners, a great way to expand your strawberry patch. Instead of using pots, I'll be encouraging these runners to take root directly into the strawberry bed. To propagate the runners, I'll select the healthy ones and gently guide them to the soil within the bed. I'll secure them in place by pressing them down lightly so they make good contact with the soil. Next, I'll cover the runners with a thin layer of soil, ensuring they are well anchored but not buried too deep. This will encourage them to root, establishing themselves as new strawberry plants. Just like with the mature strawberry plants, I'll make sure to water the runners thoroughly. This will provide them with the moisture they need to develop strong roots. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting our homegrown strawberries. When they're fully ripe, simply pick them, being careful not to damage the plants. Just look at these beauties. Homegrown strawberries are truly a treat. Their sweet, juicy flavor is unparalleled. There are so many things you can do with these delicious berries. You can enjoy them fresh, make strawberries jams, get creative with recipes like strawberry shortcake, strawberry smoothies, and strawberry salads. Planting strawberries in a raised bed is a rewarding experience. By using these concrete interlocking panels, nutrient-rich soils, and leaving ample room for expansion, we ensure optimal growth and harvest. Remember to water, maintain, and harvest your strawberries regularly for a bountiful yield. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the process of planting strawberries in our raised bed. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date on my homesteading prepping journey. I hope you feel inspired to grow your own strawberries and enjoy the reward of a bountiful harvest. Until next time, happy homesteading.